Hey, welcome back. I have the rear fender cut down to size, and I'm now going to joggle flange this here. I already started actually, so while I was doing it, I thought I should do a video of this while I'm doing it. So easy tool to use. Just take your time. Just put it in there. You can feel, get it straight against the edge, and just press. The secret is don't take too big a step down. Make sure you just feel it in. Just work your way down. Doing quite small steps. It seems to work better that way. That is how you do an edge. I don't think I have to go back over it twice, but take bigger steps after you've been over it the first time. So I don't know if you can see. Oh, yeah, that's a better view there. Sorry about the lights over here. I need extra light. You can see now mine. It's got a nice flanged edge to it. That's how I flange my edges. Now, the other way to do this is actually do a butt weld, but I've never been too keen on those. I find this to be a little bit stronger and easier for me. So anyway, that's how I do that. I know I did have a request to show how to do it. Again, this is with the tool from Amazon, and what I'll do on the edges is to put the holes in. So turn you around. I have now taken off, removed all the spot welds up here, and took off what was on there, remainder of this fender. And I'll do plug welds. Where's my finger? And I'll do plug welds just like the spot welds up here. So that's it so far. Quick progress report, I guess. Ground out the old fender flange from here, and I've done the same on the back as well. Just removed the welds and use my air chisel just to get it off. It just go off quite easy. I just noticed I've got a little bit left on here to take off. I won't take too long to do. So that's where we are so far. Back to you soon with more. Okay, since the last little clip, I was forming the notch in here, and I didn't have a door on at that time to try it out. So far what I've done is I've put a door on just with a couple of bolts to see what my lines are like going across here, because if I have to adjust the door, now's the time to do it. And I do have to do some small minor adjustments, but I'm really pleased so far how this line here is following this line here. This line, yeah, because I'm using aftermarket parts, is not bad. you know, it's not as good as this line here, but it's pretty good. You won't be able to notice it. Only me. So it's in, but it's not welded, obviously. I have to put the little holes down here to plug weld it in. It's got to go a little bit tighter in on the bottom. Now you may ask, how am I going to weld this in when from a factory? I don't know how they did it. It was actually spot welded. The lip that goes in here was spot welded to this rocker panel going like downwards. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use that glue again I did in the last video to bond this in to here. So that will take care of that part. Up here, a little bit more work to do. I'm going to be cleaning off the paint and grinding back, making a nice V-ish shape on this outer bit. So I will be welding in these places here. And I think I did it on another video from a Mustang. I start here, I go over to there, I come back, I do lots of small welds here and there to keep the heat down, so it doesn't distort down here. I'll be using the Clico fasteners to fasten this in, so I've got to drill some 1/8 holes in maybe about 6 places along here, and also a couple of Clicos in here as well to hold it in. I don't know if you can show you, it'll be a bit hard. I can't see myself. No, that's not going to work. Sorry. But the inner wing is actually sitting very nicely on the outer wing here, where are my fingers here. It's actually fitting very nicely in there. So I'm going to be drilling holes. I can show you a little bit this way, I guess. So I'm going to be punching holes now into these places here, and I can plug weld up. Working my way back. Sorry for the noise of the seat. Tidy this end bit up here so it fits flush. Excuse me. And plug weld down here. And where are we? Along here as well. It'll all be clamped together for welding. So that's where it is. I'm going to end this video episode here. The next one will be I'll be showing you the welding of it. I've still got to paint up inside here and do some rust proofing. I'm not going to show that. That's kind of monotonous. It's just painting. You don't want to watch paint dry, I know. So that's where I'm at. Close the door on that one. See you next episode. Thank you for watching so far, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. There's lots of videos to come on all of the projects I got going on in here. Bye for now.